बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। फ्रेंड्स, आज के सेशन में हम डिस्कस करेंगे फाइंड द बेस्ट कार एक्सीडेंट अटर्नी, कि किस तरह से बेस्ट कार एक्सीडेंट अटर्नी को या लॉयर को हम हायर कर सकते हैं, फाइंड कर सकते हैं। तो वीडियो की तरफ बढ़ने से पहले हम आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। तो चलें फ्रेंड्स, सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं कि हाउ टू चूज़ द बेस्ट कार एक्सीडेंट लॉयर, किस तरह से उसको चूज़ कर सकते हैं। Getting injured in the car accident can leave you fighting with insurance companies to get the coverage that you need to pay the medical bills. If you have one of the best car accident lawyer on your side, you will have an advocate working for you to make sure you get what is owed to you. Best of all, you don't pay them until they get you money from the other party. Here's a guide to help you find the right car accident lawyer to meet your needs. Then हम देखते हैं find the best car accident attorney. A car accident attorney is a type of personal injury attorney. You will be overwhelmed by the number of the options there are in your idea. It seems like every commercial, bus bench and billboard is offering the service to of other attorney. By asking the right question and looking for the right credentials, you will be able to narrow the field down to one that is right for you. Then हम देखते हैं looking to speak with an accident lawyer, find one near you. Get your free consultation from the lawyer near you. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि कौन कौन से लायर्स हैं और आप किस तरह से उन तक एक्सेस हासिल कर सकते हैं। what is their experience? Many personal injury attorney focus on a particular type of the case. Some handle workers' compensation cases, other handle class action lawsuits against the manufacturers, and other handle car accidents. You want to find an attorney that has a lot of experience with car accident? Look for a lawyer who has taken cases at the way of trial. In the unlikely event your case doesn't settle before them, of course, with this experience, there should be a winning track record of getting appreciated settlements and judgments from the insurance companies. What are the fees? It's no secret that attorneys cost a pretty penny. You want to find an attorney who works on contingency, meaning that they don't make any money until you get your settlement or judgment. Most personal injury attorney work for a percentage of the final award account. Friend, this was all about today's session. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो सेशन में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।